Hey, what is up everybody? This is Sing from reviewssoftware.com. Welcome to my Tube Booster review. You can see now I'm inside of the Tube Booster. Everything got over here. So in this video, I will give you a full demo and a full walkthrough exactly what you're getting inside of the Tube Booster. In a nutshell, this is an unlimited software that's increase your YouTube traffic, okay? Especially if you are new to business or new to affiliate marketing, okay? You see this is ton of video training that show you how to increase your YouTube channel traffic, and especially you get sale after you increase all the thing you need, okay? There's a lot of training here with this you, and also include very amazing software inside of the training here as well. Right, so we go more detail just a little bit later, and I also put ton of custom bonuses that I would like to give you. So hold the bonus if you put this product plus my bonus, that will help you grow your business faster. So what you need to do now, click to very first link in the description of this video, then it will take you to my bonus page. Look like this. Then you can click to any red button here. It will take you to the Tube Booster right here, and you click to any button here and you are good to go. Okay, so this product gonna be launched in today, okay, today, but right now I'm making this video is 16 November. So if you're watching this video from 16 November 2020, you can post the product by click to very first link in the description of this video. Okay, so they have 30-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like the product, you can ask for money back after you post the product 30 days. Okay, and this is the sale page. So let's spend a little bit of time in the sale page. If you don't see this sale page, you can click to very first link in the description of this video. Okay, it will take to my bonus page, and click to any red button here. It will take you to the sale page of the Tube Booster right here. You see here, this is the unlimited software to multiply your YouTube traffic, and how we build 1070k and 33k subscriber channel in a second in any niche, automatic, and generate 24-hour traffic. Right? That's something you gonna need if you are brand new to business or affiliate marketing. Okay, so you know that a video is in the future of marketing, and video is most people like to see. So if you build a channel that have thousands of people follow, that you could see how much traffic you're gonna have to your product, to your any product. Okay, so in this training and this software will help you increase your traffic, and especially you get more sale after you increase everything about traffic. Okay, so they are already increase everything. So they got 117k subscribed to 33k subscribe. That's something amazing, right? So you can click to any button here and you are good to go. Okay, and this is hidden traffic script, never seen before. Finally get unlimited free traffic to your video. Quick and easy setup. Step-by-step video training include 100% newbie friendly, no technical skill, no previous leads required, and recent repeat for multiple commission. Okay, that's all everything. This beginner friendly food story include and set for guests. And this only three steps to do. Okay, so this is you can see here, Tube Booster is unlimited software for crack YouTube unreached and getting free unlimited traffic and dominating YouTube ranking while building a large target subscribe list on our Tupelo. So this is, you can see this yourself. Okay, this is the sale page. You can create this yourself. I'm not gonna go deeper like that. So this the training and the training on here, and also the software created by Bean Ola and also Jerry, okay, Jerry Villa. So this is two guys behind the product. You will be training from the two guys inside the training game. So this is two of my friends. They have the product really good, so I highly recommend for you in this, especially if you are brand new to affiliate marketing or any business right now. You need YouTube channel. Okay, YouTube channel is the future. And because you know that YouTube right now have billions of people that searching, and YouTube in the second search launch in the world, and a lot of people see video right now. This is your opportunity, okay? Right, so this is the self-pay, but we go further about the training and about the software right here. But before we go to the further about the software, about the training, I would like to show you my bonus. Hold my bonus. I spend a lot of time put everything together to help you succeed. Okay, so if you still not click to verify link in description of this video right now, you can click to verify link in the description of this video. Then it will take you to my bonus page, look like this. Okay, and then go down here. Here I break down everything you need to know, and you go down here, you will see special bonus here. Okay, and here I spend a lot of time put everything together to help you succeed. So the bonus number one here, this is video marketing profit case. So in this bonus, I'm gonna show you how to use video marketing to build your touring online business. Okay, you know that if you post the product from the TubeBooster, you already know how to increase your YouTube channel and create best video, right? So include my bonus here. I show you how to use video marketing to build your online business. So this is another core bonus that include this software that will help you grow your business faster. Okay, the bonus number two here, this is the new way rank number one in less than 24 hours. So in this bonus, I'm gonna show you how to rank your YouTube your keyword on Google and on YouTube number one. Okay, so this is another core bonus that I wanted to get you. Bonus number three here, this is a case study. Okay, this is a case study that I show you how to make $10,800 in the ClickFunnels. Okay, ClickFunnels is best platform to do affiliate marketing as well. You see now they make money every day. Okay, and then bonus number four here, this is YouTube leads. So this is a plugin. Okay, this is a plugin that I will show you how to use the plugin to engage your YouTube channel video and increase your Gmail leads. Okay, so if you see here, you can mention you build a channel that thousands of people subscribe right here, and especially you need more leads, right? So you're gonna grab my my bonus here, and this will show you how to engage in your YouTube channel video and increase your Gmail leads. Okay, this is another bonus that really cool that go with the TubeBooster right here. Okay, and then bonus number five here, this is SEO keywords mastery. In this bonus, I gotta show you how to find the honest and the more profitable keyword the right way. Okay, so this is another cool bonus that I will show you. You know, if your website or your YouTube you are do good SEO, then you get ton of traffic and you save a lot of money. You don't need to do YouTube ad, Facebook ad, and Google ad. You save ton of money. Okay, so this is my whole high quality bonus that I would like to get you. To collect the whole of my bonus here, what you need to do, click to verify link in the description of this video. It will take you to my bonus page here, and click to any red button here. It will take you to the sale page, and click to any button in the sale page, and you can post the product. Okay, so after you post the product, you you can go to WordPress right here, and you go to your history product you already post. You click on here, the Latin bonus, Latin button here called Asset Affiliate Bonus. You click on here, you are set to hold my high quality bonus that I promised to you in this video. Okay, right, so that's all the my bonus. So right now let's talk about the training and the software. Okay, so when you log into here, this is the ToBooster, the welcome by Ola. Okay, you see she have the servers that YouTube play button. Okay, and this is another very cool. You see here she had one YouTube sent for her. It's really cool. And this next chapter here, you can see this is the end video screen. This is show you everything about the tick and the trick about the for the YouTube. You see here the make proper thumbnail and script video and make thumbnail. To create a thumbnail that you need a software or a mentor to show you the right way. Okay, you're not gonna if you not create a right mindset or the thumbnail, you not get click on that, right? So this is make thumbnail, and this is long tail strategy. This is posting with playlist. This is create playlist, custom and increase template. This template and subscribe and like button template and build subscribe. This is the build subscribe SEO strategy. And next on here, money machine. This is monetize your video, evergreen video funnel you or car. And this another one here, power of giveaway, present free bonus. You need a West comment and list, confirm view and subscription. You, your town, farmer, and rank position. This is show you how to use VIQ to rank your YouTube channel #1 on Google and YouTube. Okay, and this is the right task. Choose the right tag and a perfect timing. And this is software. Okay, this is the software that show you how to increase your Gmail list from the YouTube channel. Okay, this is another core. This is really cool training on here, and this is the bonus that you're gonna get when they promise to you in the sale page. Okay, this is everything you're gonna need. You see here, this is making thumbnail here. This is gonna include the software inside here. Okay, you can you can click to any link here. You go to the software. And a lot of software on here as well. I'm not gonna everything detail here, but this you see here every video here very quality, and they have if they have into software they will have dot down on here. Okay, and right, so this is everything you're gonna get inside the ToBooster. Okay, so right now let's talk about the price. What is the price? Okay, so the price front end price only $17 to your asset to hold ToBooster, like asset ToBooster, how to build your customer and build your person money machine and rank positive and free to asset to Gmail below up 300 email monthly and 24 premium support matching. This everything about only $17. I think this is the good price. Okay, and especially if you are new to affiliate or you new to business, you need a mentor to show you everything and the video marketing in the future. So this course definitely you're gonna consider on that, and yeah, I guarantee that you get a very good result. Okay, and they have few upsell. Okay, upsell number 1 here. This is the product, and this products are $37 to be boosted. Don't forget Timber play. So this is don't forget Timber play. So after you purchase it, you like this, you can upgrade to here. Okay, I think this is good. And this upsell number 2, this is agency. This is agency on and price is $97. This automatic email blower, and this everything. And option number 3 here, this is $197, and this is the resale rights. Okay, this is you can resell the booster, everything you can you have. Okay, right. So this all everything about the booster, right? Alright guys, so that's everything about the booster. Make sure you click the verify link in the description of this video and you can purchase the product plus hold my high quality bonus. Okay, and you have any question, you can let your comment below because I love to answer your question. Or if you're first time to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Every time when I launch a new video, you get notification. So right now, I will see you in another video. Bye bye.